Yes, and you just tear that off, and that allows you to put your finger in and pull the top of the shell. Okay?
There it goes.
Yeah.
Ooh, and there's the gills. Then the gills you do not eat. So these
Don't eat the
little
gills.
lungs will make, they're not good for you, so just peel them off and throw them in the bucket. Everything else you can, you can eat. I like to take the guts out of the center of it and get rid of that, and then just go for all the crab meat.
How do you open up the thing in the middle again?
Just see that little apron thing there?
Just use your fingers.
Your fingers.
You can use your, there you go, peel that up.
And once you're holding
There you go, you got it, and tear it off.
Picture.
Just go to town and just
Hold it all the way back.
rip it right off. The whole thing.
Just take it off,
Get
honey.
nasty with it. There you
Pull
go.
hard.
It's hot, I know, it's a little hot.
There you go.
Good job.
Perfect.
Now that'll allow you to stick your finger in there and
Pull the
shell
top
right
off. Turn it over.
It's hot. It is hot. It may be okay to let it cool a little bit first if you want, but
Okay.
I know it's even hot to pull the...
Are you gonna get that, or do you need my help? Okay.
It's extremely hot.
Okay. I'll help you.